Have you ever wondered why some websites look visually appealing and organized while others seem cluttered and unappealing? Well, the secret lies in CSS. In this video, we'll explore what CSS is and how it works. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. It's a language used to style HTML documents and make them visually appealing. HTML is responsible for structuring a web page, while CSS adds style and presentation to the content. CSS can control many aspects of a web page, such as fonts, colors, margins, borders, and positioning. It allows designers to create beautiful and consistent layouts across multiple pages, which enhances the user experience. To use CSS, you must first link a separate CSS file to your HTML document. In the CSS file, you can define various styles using selectors and declarations. Selectors specify which HTML elements you want to style, while declarations define the style properties that you want to apply to those elements. CSS follows a cascading order, which means that multiple styles can be applied to the same element, but the final style depends on the order of the rules and their specificity. This allows you to create specific styles for certain elements and override general styles for all elements. CSS is an essential tool for web designers and developers. It allows them to create unique and visually appealing websites that stand out from the rest. CSS has evolved over the years, and now it supports advanced features like animations, transitions, and responsive design. In conclusion, CSS is a powerful tool that enables designers to create stunning and functional websites. It's easy to learn but requires practice to master. With CSS, you can turn a basic HTML document into a work of art. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos related to web development. Thank you for watching.